Antipolo will get first crack dito sa ating ball game. Reyes blocked by Moctimar. We run to the other end. Bacani on a fast break gets the first 2 of this game.
That's the tournament after a while, no? After getting that first loss, I'm sure maraming na-pick up doon yung Pasig. He was actually the one who started off with for Antipolo na mainit from the outside, pero na-foul trouble siya. That's why all the other guys had to step up for their team.
Giga naman will get this.
Hindi naman kailangan na siya yung makakashoot, pero at least just involve him. Paratingin mo sa kanya yung bola.
Del Pozo will try once more. That time short. Makukuha ni Bacani. Tatakbo niya muli. Attacks the defense and gets another bucket.
Well, if you
Forward in that ball game yesterday, as we see this Bacani rack attack are coming off the bench. Of course, talking about J. Mark Lloren, who had 28 para sa Pasig, and of course, Mark Gojo Cruz, who was the Chef's Magic player of the game yesterday. I believe finished with 19.
actually
Arti split from Alforque, taking it all the way was Reyes, just couldn't complete it. He's able to keep it alive. They find Del Pozo once more. His second 3 of the ball game.
that's what's scary kapag, pero maganda kasi yung coverage nila kaya natawagan ng illegal screen instead.
Bayani, baseline jumper will fall. Pulls up for another 3 ball that time, and medyo napalakas.
Well, the presence of Engigo was enough para mapasablay mo si Del Pozo.
Moctimar.
Balik sa inyo.
Maraming salamat. That was Danny Yamada. The report para nga dito sa Pasig. And sabi mo nga, characteristic para kay Sean. Pero makakaagaw naman. Beats Asido for the bucket.
Shared that ball really well, locating their scorers. Kaya meron silang 22 assists the previous game.
J. Mark Lloren. Goes to Buena Flor. Ball tapped away and stolen by Lloren. Chu Hinogen now in the ball game, high off the glass for 2.
And it's even gonna be easier for Hinogen to score.
Now some full court pressure being applied ng Antipolo easily. Broken by Pasig. Bayani. Napakagat lang kanyang.
Kasi na yun.
Stolen away by Lloren. Gets another basket. J. Mark Lloren. Go inside. Morales might have gotten away from a travel. Gets his own miss. Make sure that time. Right? With a steal. Buena Flor on the attack. Lost his footing. Stolen away by Tabinas. But Gojo Cruz comes up with it and gets his first 2 of the game. We're talking about Lloren. As Ortega will try. The 3-pointer won't fall, but there to clean it up is 30 Malaga. Talaga dito ng Pasig. You gotta give them credit. They are able to sustain it so far. This was the putback earlier para kay Malaga. Throws it away. Takbo dito ang Antipolo. Reyes on the attack. Gets the end 1.
Niya eh. Talagang alam niya, kaya niya na nang mag-isa yun.
So, being a part of the first 5 and having that leadership para sa kanyang team pushes him to strive further, contributing as this is a do or die game. Makukuha kaya nila ang kalakasan at kumpiyansa. Balik sa inyo.
Maraming salamat muli, Danny. Shot clock is down to 4. Bacani. Idiscarte. Gets the layup with that offhand. Nagpasabit lang. Take another look at that move coming from Bacani.
Just pure athletic.
Reyes kicks it out. 3 on the way. Flores knocks it down.
And this is that Antipolo J. White.
Able to split the defense. Cruz asking for it. Will fire for 3. Gets clipped. And gives us the rare 4-point play.
But I think you gotta give credit to Antipolo as well. They've deployed the full court.
4-point play was completed. JB Lim able to hit on that 3. Liwanag, excellent feed to Asido for the remaining here in our first half. Take another look at that 3-pointer from David Cruz. 4-point play.
And tinutulungan mo pa siya na makuha yung kanyang puntos.
JB Lim. Liwanag will pull the trigger. That's short. Morales corrals the board. Final 7 seconds na lamang. Pinogin. Kick out. Lloren for 3. Gets it to fall just before time.
Kasi hindi na siya binalik.
Chiga.
Basketball already. No? So hindi ka pwedeng masyadong malambot dito. And good thing for the officials as we see that layup by Marco.
The ball stolen by Flores. Find Go Cruz ahead of the pack. Lilipad gets another bucket.
Para sa kanyang team.
43-42. Abante pa rin ang isa dito. Ang Pasig make that 3 after Bayani will score.
Makakapasa ka kaagad.
Find Go Cruz. Binitin pa. Great defense para sa Pasig. Look at that feed. Hindi na.
Napakabilis na match up and very fearless. Pareho.
With the floor attacking Enjiga, and just like you pointed out.
Go for that layup. Good thing nakuha pa nila yung possession.
Lloren with a putback, gets it to fall.
Time huddle, the in sa kanilang plan on defense. Very focused at eagerness ang evidence sa mga mata ng players. Initiatives was second half. Not being complacent is their strength. We will further see how their strategy on this ball game will turn out. Balik sa inyo.
Balik. It was Russell Liwanag setting it up. Dalawa lang naman ang pinoster dito. Moral. Pull up for 3. Just a bit short, but Go Cruz there for the put. Sent to shoot para sa Pasig. To the corner they go. Excellent find. Morales off the glass for 2.
That's the execution. That's his 10th rebound. Talking about the point guard of Pasig, Apasi Timothy's.
Gaitos is all alone and knocks down the triple. A 5-0 blast para sa Pasig to open up. This 2. Take another look at that basket from Morales kanina. Another assist para dito sa Pasig. And one more. Benedict Gaitos scoring on that 3.
Pasok sa shaded area si Gaitos, but he was at the left corner 3 kasi nga dun yung spot niya eh.
Asido finally able to find a Morales short stab off the glass once again. That time won't work. Nakuha niya ang kanyang mintes. Straight away 3. Gaitos! Another triple. Pacquiao's Junior MPBL D-League mula nga dito sa Caloocan Sports Complex. Antipolo tried to find the response when the floor
Ilim. And ganun lang talaga eh, no? Once you attack that shaded area, once you attract multiple defenders, as you see this.
Lloren contra Go Cruz. Uses that spin move. Gets the bump. Not the finish. Loose ball picked up by Lloren once again. Powering his way through for 2.
Pero no problem naman pala for J. Mark Lloren with that putback.
Go Cruz finishes.
What an answer.
This was the move by Go Cruz earlier. To put the lead down to 5. Norben Moctemaren, what a ball game for this young man. Talking about Norben as J. Mark Lloren.
Dumikit sila against Antipolo eh. Pero in this game, everybody was just have to convert on the other end.
Reyes will... Possession ball game. Couldn't get the bounce on the second. Rebound battle. Makukuha pa ni Alforque para sa Pasig. Another foul given up by Reyes.
So they need to get more for the next game para mas maging convincing yung win. But obviously enough para makakuha ng advantage in this game.
Go Cruz. 71-65. Still a 6-point advantage para sa Pasig Apasi Timothy's. The heave to Lloren. And make that an end one. Yun din yung kagandahan talaga ng serye, Renzo. No? You can't just put it on that game 1 performance. There really is those adjustments that have to happen. Overnight pa nga in this case. And Pasig certainly, talagang nakita mo yung difference from how they were able to execute here in game number 2.
Well, even Antipolo knows that Pasig is gonna come out in this game really wanting to extend the series, and they were successful. Obviously checking a lot of boxes na